We're only several weeks away from the official launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Rumors and leaked images suggest that the device will be treated with more horsepower and improved camera system, as well as the same overall look as its predecessor with a few changes sprinkled in. A leaked image from Ice Universe indicate that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will have a less noticeable crease than the outgoing model, and previous leaked renders had indicated that the phone would have the same camera setup as the S22 Ultra, meaning the sensors would be placed directly on the phone's back as there wouldn't be a dedicated camera bump. Those renders were shared by OnLeaks, who is as accurate as they come and has an impeccable track record. However, the famous YouTuber who's behind the YouTube channel TechTalkTV, who in the past has uploaded hands-on images of unreleased devices, and was also behind the real-world images of the Z Flip 4 a few weeks ago, he said that contrary to what we saw on the renders published by OnLeaks, the camera layout of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will not change, and it'll look mostly like the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This suggests that the sensors will reside in a vertical camera module like the Z Fold 3, and in a follow-up tweet, TechTalkTV confirms that the Z Fold 4 will indeed have a 50-megapixel main camera. Although foldable phones have come a long way, camera performance continues to be a pain point. Samsung is clearly going all out on foldable phones, with a recent report claiming that the company could introduce a budget Galaxy A series of foldable phones in the near future. Anyway, an improved camera system could help attract those who have so far stayed away from pricey foldable phones because of their lackluster camera. The 50-megapixel sensor will allegedly be joined by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter, followed by a 12-megapixel telephoto module with 3x optical zoom. For reference, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has a 12-megapixel main camera, at 12-megapixel ultra-wide module and a 12-megapixel telephoto unit with 2x zoom. So even if you were excited about a seamless camera integration like the Galaxy S22 Ultra on the Z Fold 4, the bright side is that it will probably get new sensors, which at least in my book is much more important than its design. Moving on, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will feature Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and leaked benchmark indicate that it'll perform much more snappier than the Z Fold 3. The Z Fold 4 is also likely to be lighter and more durable than its predecessor, and there's also a chance that it will have a wider aspect ratio for better usability. The device will likely be announced on August 10th at the next Unpacked event, where it'll share the stage with the clamshell Galaxy Z Flip 4, as well as the Galaxy Watch 5 series. Of course, for all the latest updates on the Z Fold 4, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.